5 Simple Steps to Guarantee Your Success in Network Marketing and Recruit with the Push of a Button. Part 3. How do you guarantee your success in network marketing and recruit with the push of a button?
Hello. Welcome to my platform. I'm here once again to share great value with you to help you move your network marketing business to the next level, to move it forward so you can gain great success. Now, for those of you who don't know me or are visiting my platform for the first time, my name is Gifty Ogo. I'm married with 2 kids. I'm a pharmacist practicing full-time with a hospital. But most importantly, and the reason why I'm here, is that I'm an online business coach. I help network marketers with tips, tools, strategies, and training to help you build a solid network marketing business online. So what are we talking about today? We are continuing with our topic, 5 simple steps to guarantee your success in network marketing and recruit with the push of a button. 5 simple steps to guarantee your success in network marketing and recruit with the push of a button. Now, we've talked about the first 2 steps. The first step was to get a strategy, a proven strategy. The second step is to make sure that that strategy is simple and repeatable. Please refer to my last 2 videos on this same topic for the details. Now, step 3 is experience. When you treat the strategy you are learning as seriously as you would any skills that you gain in another profession, you gain experience. And with that experience comes an understanding of nuance, meaning that you start learning things you just can't learn in a course or in an audiobook or in a training session. Now, if you just think to yourself that I want money now, what you are doing is that you are setting yourself up for failure, because get-rich schemes are just that. They are schemes. They are just schemes. They don't create sustainable, predictable success, because the success with get-rich schemes is not based on the development of skills. Unless you treat your network marketing business as a profession, you will not succeed. You also aggravate your leaders, because some of them might feel depressed when you just tell them that they should show you a trick to build a 6-figure or a 7-figure overnight. That is not possible. Now, it might seem like a trick and look easy, but it does require time and practice so that eventually it will look easy or become easy. Now, even if it takes you 3 to 6 months, or let's say a couple of years, this is better than 40 years at a job that you hate. So if you are serious about this network marketing thing and you want to be a leader yourself, you've got to be committed, gain experience, and develop an appreciation for nuance and depth of understanding that is impossible to attain in any other way. This is important because it will help develop strategies that fit your individual goals and personality. Sure, fundamentally, everyone building offline or online has the same basic foundation. However, we all have different approaches, styles, and tactics, because over time we all come to occupy a different or a slightly different space in the business. As you implement a strategy, you learn to customize it for your strengths and weaknesses, and it becomes your own. In summary, you gain experience through repetition and a new depth of understanding. Eventually, you start modifying tactics and processes so that your strategies fit you, your team, your company, your product, etc. Now, step 4 is pay it forward. So once you have a strategy, a depth of understanding, and nuance for following steps 1 to 3, you likely have achieved success in your business, and now you are in a position to teach others or teach what you know through video, Facebook lives, blogging, emails, and so on and so forth. By creating a community and communicating with them every single day, you pay it forward, not just for your downline but for the industry at large. This will do two things for you. One, since people will notice that you are giving great value and people are benefiting from it, your following will grow. Number two, as you build your fan base, you create your own personal brand and become a leader who transcends any one company or product. This is the key to step 5, which is push button income. In summary, once you pay it forward and develop a following by putting out great value that helps others, you have a following of people that want to learn more and more from you. That's how you create an empire, a loyal community that loves you and knows you and trusts you because they know you will lead them to great fortune. Step 5, which is our final step, is become a force. Become a force. This is where you get the ability to sell and recruit network marketers en masse. Now, what do I mean by en masse? This means that you are able to recruit a lot of people, or you are able to sell products to a lot of people with the push of a button. That push of a button might be pressing the send on an email, or clicking the start on a webinar, or publish on a blog post, or whatever medium you choose to use. You can even voice your call to action on a Facebook Live and people will go to buy your course or your products or sign up for your opportunity. Why? Because they trust you and your community, and that trust gives you credibility because you paid it forward and have skills you developed that others would like to learn. A lot of network marketers miss steps 4 and 5. They miss the parts about building a community beyond their organization. So if anything goes wrong with their company or their team, they get stuck. They don't have a plan B. What you want to do is that you want to be in a position where you are not dependent on anyone or any organization but yourself and your personal brand, regardless of how awesome your company is. That is why step 4, which is building a community, is very, very important. It allows you to do step 5, which is becoming a force that no one can stop. You are able to recruit network marketers en masse and at will. Now, I've shared with you a 5-step strategy for learning and developing skills. This strategy should be something that you can apply whether you are building offline or online. So regardless of how you choose to build your business to guarantee your success, remember that step 1 is to find a strategy that is proven to work. Step 2 is to make sure that strategy is skill-based and repeatable so you can do results correct and repeat. Step 3 is gain experience through repetition so you have an understanding of depth and nuance. Step 4 is to pay it forward so you build a community around yourself. And finally, step 5 is to become a force, recruit network marketers en masse, and create push button money. However, if you want to get a whole scoop on how you can build an online network marketing business by creating a system that completely automates sales and prospecting, then I encourage you to click the button, the link below this video, or click the learn more button on my fan page at Gift You Ogo fan page. I hope you gained a lot of value from what we discussed today. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Now go crush it in your business. God richly bless you.
I help you with tools and training to build a solid online business and attract your perfect team members. Follow me. I help you with tools and training to build a solid online business and attract your perfect team members. Follow me. Thank you for watching.